Well, today is Friday, September 25th, 2020. Finally started the bike ride at 11:28. I'm riding the Canyon CF-SLX bike. Weather today is 81 degrees. Wind is calm. Out of the north, mostly cloudy. Today's route's going to be New Caney, Tavola, Valley Ranch, and then back to Kingwood. Before the ride began, I attempted to get the power pod connected on the Linsky R300 bike, but that failed again, even though I had some instructions from power pod. Still couldn't get the power pod to connect to the Zine computer. Same old problem. Then I start this ride and the Zine computer will not start the ride. It turns out the memory was full, so I had to erase some data, which is okay because I had it elsewhere. So finally we're on the road at 11:28. Long story. Riding north on the US 59 frontage road, headed to FM 1314. Wind is from the right, my right side. Time is 9 minutes after 12, 18.7 miles. Riding east through Tavola. This is one of the newer sections. We are on, a good question, I don't know the name of the street. It is Brenta Valley Drive, turning onto Hawthorne. Time is 12:54, 17.1 miles. Riding time's 1 hour 14 minutes. Nice looking sky compared to what it was previous days. Riding east on Azalea Boulevard in Valley Ranch. Nice clouds. Riding west on Bentwood Estates, I think the street is. I'm in Oakhurst. Time is 1:35 p.m. 27.4 miles. Riding time is 1 hour 54 minutes. In some directions, mostly when I go to the west, the air feels cooler. This is Rock Creek.